It will take you about 10 minutes to set up the app and use it with Zoom. This tutorial video will show you how to do it. Step 1. Install VB cable. VB cable will connect StutterTalk app with Zoom. Go to StutterTalk Windows instruction page stutter-talk.com/instruction/win. In Step 1, find the Download Virtual Audio Cable button and click it to download. When finished downloading, locate the downloaded zip file. Right-click and select Extract All. Click Extract. Find the file VB cable setup x64.exe, right-click, and choose Run as Administrator. You may need to click Yes on the pop-up window. Finally, click Install Driver to install VB cable.